Hello everyone, Rich Kokadrilli Jr. with Legacy Auction Realty coming to auction in April 2021. Beautiful 2012 Nissan Murano all-wheel drive SL trim package on it. Nice, clean, runs great. You hear it. Nice and clean, ready to go. Beautiful engine compartment, no damage. Couple scratches, expected use in a vehicle this age, but check out how nice and clean it is. You see it here. Leather interior, nice and clean. Beautiful moonroof. How could you go wrong? If anyone was in the back seat ever, it certainly wasn't much. Look how nice and clean this is. Beautiful vehicle, ready to go for you and your family. Lift gate, power. Lift gate works perfectly. Nice clean compartment area, nice clean lines on it. Expected scratches, use marks, but nothing terrible at all. You see it here, less than 45,000 miles. Check us out at bidlegacy.com. That's bidlegacy.com. This will be going to auction in April 2021 on this beautiful Nissan Murano SL all-wheel drive. You see it here, bidlegacy.com. That's bidlegacy. The finest things in the world are sold at auction. Thank you.